today is Friday and we are currently going through a car wash. Car was extremely dirty. It is extremely dirty. We need to clean it. Kids back there. They never fail to fall asleep when we come to the street. And we needed to go to Aldi today to purchase something that we needed to make it. My son requested he wanted me to make chicken pot pie. Never made it in my life. I don't know if we're gonna make it today, but maybe we'll see if we get the ingredients so we can make it another. We just left the car wash. We finally washed our car. It needed it really bad. Kids are sleeping. Always. Go see her. Chicken ball. Kelly, he wants strawberry. Paprika. Chicken. Little one. Good. You want strawberry? Okay, okay. Mom will clean it. Mom will clean it.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna fix the pepperoni.
It smells good, but just a little bit less spicy.
No, those are jalapenos.
Mom, can I help you make it?
Papi, I don't have to make it. I'm just gonna put it in the oven.
Oh, can I help?
You could burn yourself though.
No.
Yeah, the oven's hot. That's why I said the oven is only for kids who know how to use it. And you get burned at your own risk. It's already hot, Benjamin.
I know how to do it. Can I get on me?
This is going to be the first step to making the chicken pot pie. I'm going to go ahead and dice and season the chicken and cook it. So I have cubed my chicken. I'm going to go ahead and put my pan to fire. Medium high heat. Grab some oil. Okay. Alright. Ito. Tapos handy-dandy. Okay. I'm gonna chop. Okay? Just go ahead and...
Here, I'll wash it in the basket.
Wash it.
I'll get it right now.
I'm gonna add some corn. You don't want too much because probably don't want to put some peas in a little bit. Just a little bit. I love peas, but someone in my house doesn't like peas, so I gotta be careful. Yes, chopping up the veggies that came in the bag. Yes, Kelly. Add it here. Butter to the pan. got chicken broth. You made it to water me. Start laying it over.
Oh. I messed up. Oh, I burned myself. Like that? Is that good?
It's gonna come out however you do it.
Are you criticizing my artwork? Here's my broken knuckle. Oh, I just burned my face off. My knuckle hurts.
You cut it.
Let me see my chicken pot pie. Did you literally cover it up?
That's what
Yeah.
you're supposed to do, puppy. That's a pie.
I literally cut it up. Touch?
It don't matter. Dude,
Oh.
What is that?
it's to make it cafecito la pan. And your chicken pot pie.
Ready?
El macho.
3, 2, 3,
Wait.
3.
Cheers.
Two.
Cheers.
It just flew all the way up.
Mmm.
It just
You're eating good tonight.
No, pues te vas a morir, cabrón.
eating bad tonight.
I want some chicken pot pie.
Hmm.
Mmm.